Overcoming mental blocks, essential mindset shift for success. Hello and welcome, donlprice here. Overcoming mental blocks is crucial for achieving success in any area of our lives. Today, I'd like to share with you some essential mindset shifts that can help you break through these barriers and unlock your true potential. The first step is acknowledging that mental blocks are a natural part of the growth process. Instead of resisting them, embrace them as opportunities for learning and development. By shifting your perspective, you can transform these blocks into stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. Next, it's essential to cultivate a growth mindset. This means viewing challenges as chances to improve rather than obstacles that define your ability. When you adopt a growth mindset, you open yourself up to new possibilities. Remember, every successful person has faced setbacks. What sets them apart is their ability to view these setbacks as temporary and solvable. Reframe your failures as opportunities to learn, not as endpoints, but as crucial lessons on your path to success. Another vital shift is to practice self compassion. Often, we are our own harshest critics, which can exacerbate mental blocks. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding when you encounter difficulties. Recognize that it's okay to struggle. Everyone does it at some point. The mindset shift allows you to approach challenges with resilience instead of giving in to negative self talk. Replace it with affirmations that reinforce the strength and capabilities. Lastly, take consistent action. Even small steps can lead to significant progress over time. Don't wait for the perfect moment or for every doubt to disappear. Leap into action, and you will find the more you act, the more confidence you build. By implementing these mindsets shifts, you can overcome mental blocks and pave the way to success that you desire. Remember, the journey to success is not a straight path. It's filled with twists and turns. What matters is how you navigate them. Embrace the journey and keep pushing forward.